Hello everyone. A very happy new year to all of you. A brand new year, new hopes and a brand new car. I welcome you all to the launch of the new Audi A4, Q8, Audi A8L, Audi RS7, Audi RS Q8 and the Audi Q2. That is 5 big exciting launches in a year under some really extraordinary circumstances.
Ever since its launch for almost 27 years ago, Audi A4 has been doing extremely well across the world. As far as India is concerned, we launched this car in the year 2007, and from that time we have been selling a lot of A4s and we have many happy customers. And this is Navara Blue. We have the car in white, we have the car in black, we have in silver and we have in grey. Also, very important for me to mention the front side of the car. I'll get you into the detailing. So we've completely redesigned the front bumper. You have air intake going here, which is more aerodynamic for the car. You have very aggressive looking front grille and you have absolutely amazing LED headlights. So combination of all three gives it a very gorgeous, sophisticated. The shoulder line with the doors are completely redesigned, and this gives a macho look to the car. It looks very wide, and when you drive the car and when you stop the car, you really arrive, as I mentioned before.
It's one thing I really noticed about the car. It really changes the overall look.
Yes, absolutely.
Even the rear of the car looks quite nice.
Absolutely. We have redesigned the whole rear of the car. You have very elegant looking LED tail lamps, and then the whole of exhaust portion is redesigned. The rear diffusers from end to end are connected through a aluminium strip, and which gives a beautiful look to the car. And also there is a new feature that we have added, which is gesture control boot lid opening. So what you need to do is just pump in your foot and this opens. And this is a feature that is smart and helps you when you're carrying luggage in both of your hands, and then you can manage the stuff very easy.
Piano touch is very luxurious, and even the beautiful upholstery, they really add to the luxury codes of the car.
Yes, the interior of car is truly an Audi. As soon as you enter, you will notice how first class comfort envelops you from all the sides, and I'm glad you picked that up. And the best in class infotainment system, including the next gen MMI touch interface, the Audi sound system, the natural voice dial-out system and the smartphone interface.
What is this?
That is Audi Phone Box. In today's day and age where the smartphone is part of our personality, we had to take an account for it. All you need to do is simply place your phone in this specifically designed compartment and you're connected. It's also some USB ports which are for other purposes as well. It can also wirelessly charge your phone if it is compatible. And talking about connectivity, I would like to throw some light about My Audi Connect. It is nothing but one app for all things Audi. New features such as in-app customer offers, AR and book a test drive function widen the scope of app for prospective Audi buyers. For us, digitalization is a journey, not a destination. And we will continue to upgrade our service-liter engine, which gives 190 horsepower and a whopping 320 Newton-meter of torque, which is giving a
And there you have it, guys.